Hi everyone. In this video, we'll discuss Zenduty's contact methods. We'll show you how you can set up your user contact methods and also how you can set up your notification rules, which is the manner and order in which your notifications are delivered depending on the urgency of the incident. Your contact methods are triggered whenever you're part of an escalation cycle in an active incident or whenever you're assigned to or added as a responder to another incident. So you'll get an option to set up your contact methods in our onboarding or quick start guide, which you can visit even later by clicking on this icon right here. And you can set up some of your contact methods over here itself. But if you want to set up all of your contact methods, you can click on your account icon right here and go to your profile, click on contact methods, and there you are. These are all the contact methods that Zenduty currently supports, which is email, SMS, voice alerts, Slack, Microsoft Teams, push notifications, and Google Chat. So in this video, we're going to set up our SMS alerts, our phone alerts, and a Slack alerts as well. So to start off, let's begin by adding our SMS number. We'll give this a name like primary SMS and add our phone number with the country code and just click on the verify with SMS button. After this, we should be getting an OTP very soon. And once you've done this, you can just click on create and there you are. We can now add our phone alerts as well. You can just click on add, give it a name, primary calling maybe. And if I put in my same number again, since it's already been verified, you won't need to do the entire one-time password thing again. You can add up to 2 numbers for each of these fields. So if I want to add a secondary number, maybe you can just click on this and there you go. You can add up to 2 numbers for both SMS and phone numbers. Now let's move on to Slack. So Slack is going to be pretty straightforward. One thing that I would request you to do is ensure that you have your Slack account logged in with admin privileges. Just click on link Slack and you can click on allow to authenticate your account to use Slack Spot. And if you go back to your contact methods, you can see that your Slack integration has already been configured. Now if you go to your Slack account right now, you can see that the Zenduty app was added. So we can begin by just writing Zenduty help maybe, and you can see a few of the options that are available for you. So the last thing to configure now are the push notifications. So to configure that, you can just install the Zenduty app on your Android or iOS mobiles, and once you log in, you can just hard refresh this page and you can see that the contact method for your push notifications would automatically be added over here. In the next video, we'll show you how you can set up your teams within Zenduty and add your team members as well. Moving forward, we'll be exploring core concepts like services, on-call schedules, and escalation policies.